Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert PowerPoint to video and thus play it easily. To get started, open PowerPoint. There you will work with the slides that are active at that moment. Now, to be able to convert our PowerPoint presentation to a video, you must go to the Slideshow menu. There you will see the record option located in the Configure group. By clicking on it, we have two options. In this case, we are going to click on the option from Beginning. The presentation we have in PowerPoint will open in presentation mode. At the top, we click on Settings, and from this place it will be possible to activate the microphone and camera if we have them. At the bottom, you have tools to edit or add elements to the slide. We can select the one we want and choose a color from the available palette. At the top, you must click on the Record button to start this process in PowerPoint. Now you can make the desired changes to each slide so that it is recorded. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you consider that you are done, you are going to click on the Stop button at the top. This will stop the recording. Now you can close this window. As a result, the changes we made will be visible in the PowerPoint presentation. Now let's convert our presentation. To do this, we will click on the File menu. After this, click on the Export option. There we will see some options. To be able to perform the conversion, click on Create a Video. Now you must select one of the qualities available for the video. Finally, you will click on Create Video, and it will be necessary to indicate where it will be saved as well as its name. As we see at the bottom, will give way to the creation of the PowerPoint video. Once it has been created, you can go to the folder where the video was saved. To see that everything was correct, double-click on the video to see each change made in the presentation. This way, you will have managed to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a video. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.